Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. We're diving into the world of virtual cities powered by blockchain technology. Get ready to explore CryptoVille, a revolutionary concept that combines blockchain and virtual reality to create an immersive and decentralized metropolis. So, let's jump right in. What if I told you that there's a city where every transaction, every interaction, and every aspect of daily life is powered by blockchain? Well, that's exactly what CryptoVille aims to achieve. It's not just a game or a simulation, it's an entirely new digital ecosystem built on the principles of transparency, security, and decentralization. Now, let's take a closer look at the features that make CryptoVille a truly unique and groundbreaking concept. 1. Decentralization. The core principle of CryptoVille is decentralization. Unlike traditional cities, where power is concentrated in the hands of a few authorities, CryptoVille is governed collectively by its residents through a consensus mechanism. Every decision, whether it's related to infrastructure development, economic policies, or community initiatives, is voted upon and executed transparently on the blockchain. This ensures that no single entity has control over the city, promoting a fair and inclusive environment for all. 2. Immersive virtual reality. Step into the world of CryptoVille, and you'll find yourself in an immersive virtual reality experience like no other. Through cutting-edge technology, CryptoVille creates a visually stunning and interactive environment where you can explore, socialize, and engage with other residents. Imagine walking down the virtual streets, attending virtual events, or even running your own virtual business, all within the secure and vibrant ecosystem of CryptoVille. 3. Digital assets and currency. In CryptoVille, digital assets and cryptocurrency play a crucial role. The city has its own native cryptocurrency, let's call it CryptoCoin, for now, which serves as the medium of exchange for goods and services within the virtual ecosystem. Additionally, residents can own and trade unique digital assets such as virtual real estate, artwork, and collectibles, all stored securely on the blockchain. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creators and investors, fostering a thriving digital economy within CryptoVille. 4. Incentives and rewards. CryptoVille believes in rewarding its residents for their contributions to the community. By participating in various activities, such as supporting local businesses, organizing events, or even reporting bugs and suggesting improvements, residents can earn rewards in the form of crypto coins or exclusive digital assets. This incentivizes active participation and fosters a sense of ownership and pride among the community members. 5. Community governance. In CryptoVille, decision-making power lies in the hands of its residents. Through a decentralized governance model, residents can propose and vote on initiatives that shape the future of the city. Whether it's building new infrastructure, introducing community programs, or organizing virtual gatherings, everyone has an equal voice in the development of CryptoVille. This inclusive approach ensures that the city grows and evolves based on the collective vision and needs of its residents. Conclusion. So there you have it, CryptoVille, the blockchain-powered virtual city that's redefining the way we think about digital communities. With its decentralized governance, immersive virtual reality, digital assets, and rewarding incentives, CryptoVille offers a glimpse into the future of interconnected, secure, and inclusive virtual worlds. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out on any exciting updates and news from the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay crypto savvy.